time since Earth's creation, about 3.8 billion years, as a research and development period. The average pharmaceutical drug takes 15 years and $800 million to make. In a sense, biomimicry is simply taking advantage of the research and development that nature has done and modeling it to solve human problems. Nature, over the course of its time, has already come up with the solutions to the problems we face. Utilizing biomimicry can address many of these problems in a simple, efficient way. One of the biggest trends is wind power. The fins of a humpback whale have large, odd-looking bumps called turbicules. Water flowing over smooth fins break up into turbulent vortices as they cross the surface, but water passing over the whale's turbicules create even channels of water that flow quickly. Applying this to turbine blades will create similar airflow over them, reducing drag and resistance in a more streamlined design. This new design is not limited to wind turbines. Anything with a blade can potentially be radically improved. Out of the total energy used by all of humanity across the world, building operations account for 40% of that energy. The Eastgate Center uses only 10% of the energy that conventional buildings of the same size use, which so far has saved the owners over $3.5 million. Termite mounds use a temperature ventilation system to keep the core temperature constant, while the outside temperature varies over 70 degrees. The building operates the same way a termite mound does. Depending on interior and exterior temperature, the air is either heated or cooled by the building mass. Fresh air is drawn through fans and old air is pushed up the building core and out through chimneys. If 10% of buildings were to remodel and incorporate the temperature system, and each of them saved 90% on their energy costs, the money and energy saved is unimaginable. With biomimicry as the focus for sustainable design solutions, we can solve ecological and environmental problems. From wind power to architecture, we need to look to nature for sustainable solutions. The Earth has survived so long for a reason, and the answers for our survival are already there. They merely need to be applied to human problems for efficient, natural solutions.